Hey guys, welcome back to 60-second reviews. So today, as you can tell, we have the Dagger L. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's a 2021 suit and it definitely shows it. So right out the gate, I want to say that this thing has no decals on it. This is just how it looks straight out the box. It absolutely looks this amazing. It has the hard point for the L packs, so you can equip packs to it to make it work very well. It comes with beam sabers, and this is literally the whole kit assembled right here. Just absolutely amazing. Full range of motion. Like, that's the leg, the arm. Like, it's just really impressive. The engineering is really good. Like, even up under here, it's got the standard seed stuff going on, but it just does it very well, and it feels nice and tight, and just feels like a very sturdy kit. If I had to make a suggestion, I'd say definitely pick one up because it is absolutely worth it. Just absolutely worth it. But yeah, that's my review of the Dagger L.